Vogue Dana
and Tina.
Today, isa-share lang naman namin sa inyo ang aming mga summer favorites.
Ito talaga yung mga summer items that we can't live without.
Exclusive na exclusive to. And guys, as promised sa last Sosyal versus Di Sosyal episode namin,
Kailangan nyo mag-stay tuned till the end of this video para makita ang aming
bloopers! Yun ang pinaka-nakakatawa na part sa kahit anong Sosyal versus Di Sosyal episode, guys. So, huwag nyo yun papalampasin.
Our first category
Is hair care. We use the Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner. Ayan. Bakit siya 1 minute?
because you know naman, our hair, talagang it takes so long to straighten or blow dry. Ako siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes para makuha ko yung gantong hair. Ikaw?
Ako naman, it's actually more on tamad ako magpatuyo ng hair. Kasi ang haba ng hair ko, tapos sobrang kapal pa. So, pag nagpapatuyo ako, guys, ang hina ng 30 minutes.
So, kaya namin to holy grail product kasi it only takes 1 minute to undo the damage na ginagawa natin sa hair natin.
Correct. Which is, guys, I know we're more aware sa skin natin when it comes to the sun. So, inisip natin, oh my gosh, madadamage yung skin ko. But guys, the sun also damages your hair so much. So, ano ba naman yung 1 minute? Kasi diba, tamad din naman tayong magbabad sa shower all the time. But this one will only take 1 minute. Diba?
Just 1 minute to undo the damage sa hair nyo. When we came back from our beach trip, parang lagkit ng
Nag-stick yun sa hair ko.
Parang pumunta siya sa
Correct.
hair natin.
Tapos nag-flat yung hair ko for a while. So ayun, tapos ito lang yung ginamit ko, tapos umukay na ulit yung hair ko, which is so weird. Kasi usually kapag gano'n nakatindi yung damage ng hair ko, kasi nga, ang daming activities plus yung mga events pa namin. So like, laging nag-hairstyling, bugbog na bugbog sa hairspray all day. Usually, I would have to go to the salon.
Salon treatments are really nice din sa hair, but super expensive.
Like, ang sakit-sakit sa bulsa, guys.
If you're on a budget, super sulit, just get it sa grocery. Packed siya with powerful serum capsules na talaga namang magpapalambot ulit.
So, it's not like your regular conditioner na cream lang. Kasi this one talaga is very potent.
Kaya naman guys, Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner
Is our holy grail hair care product for the summer.
Faves, try nyo na din! Skincare.
Vaseline, lip therapy. So this is what I use for my lips and kasi my eyebrows din. Actually, both eyebrows namin were embroidered on. So it's important na laging moisturized, guys.
Lucas Papaw Ointment.
Uy, at saka alam mo ba, kasi pag binabag-grade yung mga artista dito locally, laging nasa, ano nila to, nasa bag nila. So malakas siya maka-artista, guys.
Artista, bag ko
Yeah. Pumasok siya sa kwarto. Sabi, girl, alam mo ba? Yan. Sobrang effective talaga ng Lucas Papaw. Yan. Tapos parang ako, ay, parang hindi ako naniniwala. Parang it's too good to be true. So ang ginawa ko, ginugol ko, why is it so? Tapos yun pala, it's because grabe yung healing properties ng fermented papaya. So, healing talaga siya. That's the reason why ginagamit siya for lips. Kasi hini-heal niya yung chapped lips mo.
Jeju Aloe Eyes.
By the Face Shop.
Made in Korea siya, guys. A little treat for yourself after a long day.
Kasi malamig siya talaga. And yan lang kasi yung moisturizer na ginagamit namin. No? Both our skin, hiyang siya. And hindi siya sticky. Which is yung pinaka-ayaw ko. Kaya minsan hindi ako nag-moisturizer kasi ayaw ko ng sticky yung feeling.
Ew,
Pag
gross.
ginamit mo, instant yung cooling effect niya. Talagang bongga, parang in-aircon.
Correct. Tech.
Very polished, ganyan. Yung pilit mata on fleek lagi at ang kilay. But,
Sige pa.
ay,
Proceed
Grabe.
with the compliments, please.
ang lahat yon equals to beauty blogger Dana. Ang dream niya talaga is to be a tech blogger.
Dream ko maging tech content creator. Here is my tech favorite for the summer. Lenses na phone case na pwede mo siyang i-slide for your phone. Wide na lens. Macro lens sa fish eye. So, super gusto ko siya. Talaga. Hindi siya sponsored, guys. Ha?
Yeah,
Yun nga,
by the
binili
way.
ko siya.
Oo, saan pinili yan?
Binili ko siya sa OLX. Sa seller sa OLX. Okay, kasi doon pinakamura.
Ta-da! It levels up your IG game. Pinakamaliit na drone na na-create ni DJI ever.
Very simple looking wire. Bakit ko siya favorite for summer? Kasi yun nga, when you travel, parang ang hassle magdala ng iba't ibang cords, tapos magbubuhol-buhol siya sa bag mo. It's such a hassle. But this, I can charge all of my devices kasi pwedeng phone sa mga power banks ko, and then pwede na rin siya sa laptop ko. And it's just wonderful.
Okay guys, it may look like a normal electric fan to you, pero iba to, high quality.
Kasi guys, Iwata, alam mo yung electric fan nyo sa flag ceremony?
Iwata. Gusto mo tayo?
Sige. Ay, okay yan sa mga selfies ko, di ba? May pa-wind
With
effect.
effect. Okay yan! Yan, guys. Fashion.
So yung akin medyo malandi.
Uy, pa to.
It's a bikini.
I have my trusty belt bag. What is
Yan,
this?
belt bag. And last but not the least, makeup as well, is the lasting cheek. Hirap cheek tint. One Day Tattoo by K Palette. Ano yung sa'yo?
Well, mine naman is Mok Mok.
Ano yung pag-English? Peke, girl. Peke na tayo sa'yo, girl. You're mokey.
It's the MAC Prep Plus Prep.
Ano ba? Mac?
MAC Prep Plus
Ako na, help ko siya. Sub, ganun ka, sub. Mac Prep Plus Prime. Takot magkamali. Basta guys, spritz
MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus.
Kapag you're feeling parang medyo crusty,
Yeah.
cakey, spray ka lang anytime and then magsiset yung makeup mo.
Ganito siya guys. So you shake it and then hold it away. Tapos ganyan.
So sana nag-enjoy kayo malaman lahat ng summer favorites namin.
Yes, and I hope you took down notes. Kung meron pa kayong questions kung paano magamit these products, just comment below.
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up
And subscribe to become an official
Kabog!
To our next video! Bye, Kapogs!
Aday! Hindi ko matanggal. Aray.
Chiri, hindi ko matanggal.
Ano yan?
Do it! Let's
How are you? And... Excuse me. You're so...
Wait, okay.
Nakakatawa kasi. Ano ba? Kinatawa mo naman. Ganun. Ate, I'm stop. Excuse me, miss.